Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove apps from the dock on your MacBook. Perfect for if your dock is looking a little cluttered with apps you never use. Before we get into it, tap that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it so much. Alright, let's get started. Let's say you don't use Apple Music anymore. What you're going to want to do is click on the app, drag it upwards, and then you're going to see a remove button that pops up. Let it go, and just like that, it's gone from your dock. Simple, right? Here's method 2. So we're going to try with messages this time. Just right click the messages, click on options, and then remove from dock. And just like that, the app disappears from your dock, but don't worry, it's still on your Mac, you're just removing the shortcut. And that's it. 2 simple ways to clean up your Mac's dock and keep things neat. If this video helped you out a lot, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Have a question? Drop it in the comments down below. I always try to respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.